The River Thames is London's greatest open space, and it teems with wildlife. From here in leafy Richmond, it flows through London, on into Kent and Essex, into the North Sea, and ultimately the Atlantic Ocean. So it is our link with the natural world, which is so important for all of us.
I'm Chris Baines, and I love this river. I love it because it's so full of contrasts and contradictions. It's a very busy industrial waterway, but it's a great playground as well. It's been an open sewer in the past, but it's full of wildlife. It's surrounded by modern development, but it's a ribbon through history as well. And for most people who see it every day, it's a mystery. People really don't know very much about the Thames. So I'm going on a journey. I'm going to travel from here at Teddington, right at the top of the tidal Thames, all the way out to the sea, meeting people who can tell me more and more as I travel along about just how much life there is in and around the Thames. So this is an important landscape, but it's a landscape that we could make better and better until eventually this place really is worthy of the idea of being a national nature reserve or a national park. Really exciting.